Claus paid $448 for two identical phones during a Great Singapore sale. If there was no sale going on, how much more would he have to pay for the two phones? Now, the Great Singapore sale is over here. So if you buy the first phone, you get 10% discount for that first phone. Second phone, you will get 30% discount for that same second phone. Alright, so in other words, the original price of the first phone, second phone, will always be 100%, right? So when you are paying $448, you are paying the discounted price for both the phones. Okay, so what is the discounted price? For the first phone. Alright, now that will be 100% take away 10%, which will be 90%. Alright, so you have to pay 90% for the first phone, and for the second phone we can do the same steps. Discounted price for second phone, 100%, take away 30%, and that will be 70%. Okay, so in total, how many percent is he paying during the GSS, the Great Singapore Sale? 90% plus 70%. 90% plus 70%, that will be 160%. And 160% represents the price that he pays, which is $448. And we can then find 1%. 448 divide by 160. 448 divided by 160, that would be $2.80. So go back to the question, how much more would he have to pay for the two phones? If there was no sale, he would have to pay that 10% more and that 30% more as well, because there won't be any discount, right? So 10% plus 30%, which he has to pay right now if there was no sale. So what is 40% equivalent to? $2.80 times 40, and that will be $100 and $112. Okay, so $112 more is something that he has to pay if there was no sale. Why? Because there won't be this 10% discount, there won't be this 30% discount. In total, he has to pay another 40% more if there was no sale.